Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the billing. Now, in order to actually access the billing section, you need to be the organization admins. You cannot be the site admin and access the billing option because this will not be possible. Just to clarify that. That's the first thing. The second thing is, since we're actually here, you access this by going to admin.atlassian.com. You click on billing. And within the billing, we're going to see all the product and apps on which plan are you actually currently on. What is the number of the users that are on this product? Also, what is the next price estimate? What is the billing cycle? What's the next billing date? And so on and so forth. All right, as you can see, for example, if we actually take a look at, let's say, since we're actually talking about Jira most of the time, so we can actually see it from here. So we have a premium demo that we're actually being using. This is the billing that goes monthly. And if I actually click on here, I can see all of the users that are basically on this specific site and that are actually using the Jira. Now, as most of these users are actually being simulated, and for them, the status is being on invited, so don't let that confuse you. But there are some others that are actually being active in here, as you can see. Now I can see that there are actually 4 administrators in here, and when I click on this, I can indeed see who are the organization admins for this specific Jira product on this site right here. The thing is, what I can also see in here are the other options. I can see what is the next estimate, so I can know, well, what will be my billing price. The good idea would actually be in here to actually have some kind of a summary where I can basically see and be like, oh, this is this is something that I can see, and this is how much money I will actually need to pay in the next month. So by summing everything up. So what you can also do in here is you can manage your product. So what actually this is, it's going to lead you to this billing console. And within this billing console, you can do things such as removing the subscription for a specific product. So for example, in here, we have what are the subscription details, and it's saying, okay, we need the payment method for the upcoming bill. And there is also some changes within the billing management. And it's saying that there is no new billing engine to help us with the better subscriptions and everything else. So it's saying here that we have 4 users that are in here. What are the subscriptions and what is the next bill estimate? So I don't have any apps in here. And there is another thing is what I can do is, for example, I can manage customer contacts, for example. Now, if I go back here, and if I actually look for the other ones where I have indeed some of the apps in here, or you can actually go for the billing for a specific app. So for example, I'm going here for the Easy BI, and now it's loading up, so you can actually see what kind of data is actually going to be shown in there. So I can actually see that there is the billing for like 16 users and 16 agents as well. I can also see I can see the trial is actually in here, and this is also the license that I'm actually using. So what I can do from here are basically some additional things. such as entering the promo code if I actually have some promo code, or to cancel the subscription. Let's say that I don't want to use this anymore and I'm going to say cancel this. So if you actually, let me go back and let me just go through what actually this means for you when you're doing the subscription. So the cancellation is actually here and saying pending cancellation for 9 days. So that means I'm actually now have activated this, and basically that's it. Now it's under the cancellation. I can undo it if I want to, but that's it. So it's saying it will be canceled at the end of your current billing cycle, and it's saying in what billing cycle it will be canceled. And now, as you can see, I don't have a next billing estimate because I have scheduled this cancellation. But overall, for the billing, basically, mostly that is it. You can actually go you can go for some of the quotes in here. So you'll need to request access. You need billing admin access to view and manage the quotes, which is one of the things that are really interesting. So you need a billing admin to view and manage all subscriptions, manage payment methods, and view and manage invoices as well. So if you go for the payment methods, it's still going to say the same, but maybe it will be different from your side, and I believe it will be, because in here I am the organization admin, but I'm not the billing admin as well. There are some other stuff such as the billing permissions in here that you're also having. So now it's saying that I'm actually the customer contact, and in here, this is the billing admin. So this person right here is the billing admin. So I would actually need to ask them to give me the permission to be the billing admin so I can access these parts right here. I can request that, but it's not going to go anywhere. Why? Because that bot for this simulated site, well, it doesn't receive the emails, which is another interesting thing. But overall, when you get the billing admin access, you can get the access to all of these. Okay, that is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.